Triads are 3-note chords, and I just want to show you a bunch of different ways to play a C triad on the guitar. So we can start with root position. That means that the lowest note is the root note, so C, E, G. I've got C, E, G on different string sets here. I could also play it in first inversion. That would mean starting with the note E. So I have E, G, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, E, G, C. Another one would be second inversion. So I could play G, C, E, or G, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, E. And the neat thing about these triads is that they're involving the root, third, and fifth. So that means that we could add embellishments with the 2, 4, or 6. Those are your notes that kind of give you those Jimi Hendrix type of fills. Another thing we could do is play open triad voicings. And with these, we're usually skipping a string, but as you can hear, like you get some pretty cool open sounds. Kind of reminds me of Eric Johnson.